What's up, people? Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to take a close-up look at the graphics on the Civil War board on the Marvel pinball machine. So let's get into it.
In Stamford, Connecticut, a violent clash between superheroes and supervillains near an elementary school resulted in a monstrous explosion. The recent call for superhuman registration has reached an all-time high after this unspeakable tragedy.
More survivors by the school's north side.
Moment of silence. Masked heroes have been a part of this country for as long as anyone can remember. Registration takes away any freedom we might have, any autonomy. Heroes didn't cause what happened at Stamford, Tony. Villains did. You think I don't know that?
Registration won't stop every tragedy, Steve, but people in our position need accountability. I wish it didn't have to be this way.
Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Just a short one on the graphics for the Civil War board. Hopefully you guys liked it. I think it looks pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, hit that subscription button. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.